Let me show you how to use Airbnb's instant booking to secure your stay faster. So if you're trying to book a instant stay inside of Airbnb, what you simply need to do is add in that filter. So tap on the search bar on the top, select your location, add in your dates and the number of guests, and once you do that, you'll be able to see the option of filters on the top right. Inside of filters, you can just scroll down, and under booking options, make sure you select the instant booking option, and then all of these results or listings that have the instant booking will be visible. You can simply tap on the show option and all of these results will be start to viewable. Now before you can have a instant booking, you'll need to have a verified ID, which includes you'll need to have a verified Airbnb account. Only then you'll be able to add in or have a instant booking. So what you can simply do is look through your listings and select the one that you want, and you can simply tap on the reserve option on the bottom right. As soon as you do that, and as soon as you select your dates as well as click on book, you'll immediately receive a booking confirmation rather than waiting 24 hours for the host's approval. So using the exact filter, you'll be able to use the instant booking feature inside of Airbnb. If this guide video helped you out, be sure to let us know by giving it a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today. I'm going to see you in the next video.